Hello students, I hope all of you have enjoyed your vacation and all of you are in good health. Now class, we will again start with our studies. Okay, so let's start. So class, today we will do chapter number 8, pronouns. Now first we will learn what is the meaning of pronouns and where we use them. So pronouns are used in place of naming words like Priya, Rahul, okay, Tommy, Dehradun. These are all your naming words, or we also known it as nouns. That is proper noun. Okay. So he, she, it, we, they, you, are pronouns. Okay, so he, she, it, we, they, you, are pronouns. So they are the pronouns that we are going to use in place of proper noun. So wherever there will be proper nouns like Rahul, Priya, Dehradun. So in place of them, in place of those proper nouns, we are going to use these words. So these are pronouns. Now come to the first pronoun. What is our first pronoun? It is he. Okay. Now where we use he? It is used for a boy. So he is used for a boy. We use for a boy like Aman, Raman. Okay. Then Tanmay. So these are the names of the boy, and in place of those names we are going to use pronoun he. Okay, now let's go to the first example. Aman is a good boy. Aman plays football. Now class, you can see again and again I have written Aman and Aman. Okay, so in place of writing this name Aman, the Aman is what? It is our proper noun. It is our naming word. So in place of writing again and again Aman, what we can use? We can use he. He is used for a boy. So here I have corrected the sentence. Aman, see first, whenever in the first sentence, at the starting of the sentence, we will write the name of the person. But in the second part of the sentence, we will not write the name of the person again and again. Why? Because we can use pronoun in place of those naming words. For example, Aman is a good boy. Okay. Then here you can see what I have used? He. In place of Aman, what I have used? He. So he plays football. So I have avoid the repetition of this name Aman again and again. So in place of writing Aman, Aman, Aman everywhere, what we can use in place of Aman? He. Because Aman is a boy. Aman is a boy. So at the starting of the sentence only we will write the name of the person, but in the second part of the sentence, okay, or in the next sentence, we will write he or she like that. Okay, we will use pronoun. We will not use naming words again and again. Now class, the next pronoun is your she. Now she is used, it is used for a girl. He is used for a boy. She is used for a girl. Okay, like Ramya, Tanya, okay, Rita. So these are the name of the girls. Now class, we will take example Reena. Now Reena is a boy or a girl? Reena is a girl. Reena is a good girl. Okay. Reena loves singing. So here are two sentences. Reena is a good girl. Reena loves singing. So here you can see again and again I am using Reena, Reena. Okay. So in order to avoid this repetition of this naming word Reena, what we can use? We can use she. Because Reena is a girl. Reena is a girl. So for girl, what we are going to use? She. Now here I have corrected the sentence. Reena is a good girl. Okay. Now here, instead of writing Reena here, what I have written? She. She loves singing. Okay, she loves singing song. Okay. So here also in the first sentence we will write the naming word. Okay, we will write the proper noun. But in the second part of the sentence or in the next sentence, if we are talking about the same person, we will not write Reena, Reena again. Okay, in place of Reena, what we will write? Pronoun. And what will we use for girl? We use she. Okay, for boy we use he. For girl we use she. Okay class, I hope you have understood this. Now the next pronoun is it. I-T, it. So it is used for a thing like bus or car, an animal like cat or dog, or a place like Dehradun or Lucknow or Jaipur. Okay. So we will take example over here. Okay. So Kitty is playing with a ball. Now here we are talking about Kitty. Kitty is usually the name of cat. It is usually a name of an animal which is cat. So here we are talking about an animal. Okay. So Kitty is playing with a ball. Kitty is very active. So here again I am repeating kitty word. Kitty is a naming word. So here again and again I am saying kitty, kitty. Okay. So now I have corrected the sentence. Kitty is playing with a ball. Now kitty is this here we will write kitty only because it is the first sentence and we should know about whom we are talking. We are talking about animal or we are talking about a boy or we are talking about a girl. So that's why I have mentioned the name kitty over here. So we will not touch this naming word. Now in the second sentence, it is very active. Okay. So here instead of kitty what I have used? It. Okay. Instead of kitty what I have used? It. So I have avoided the repetition of this naming word kitty here and I have used pronoun it. So it is very active. It means I am talking about kitty only. So what I have used in place of kitty? I have used it. Okay class. So let's revise. So class, she is used for girl. Okay, he is used for boy. And it is used for animal or thing or place. Okay class, I hope you have understood till here. Okay, now the next pronoun is we. W-E-We. So when do we use we? It is used for more than one person. Okay, when there are more than one person, we use we. And you are. Okay, and you are also included in that group. When we say group is always when there are more than one person. Okay, and you are also a part of it. At that time, we use we. Let's take an example. Priya, Riya and I. You can see there are how many person? 3 person. Okay, there are 3 girls. Priya is also there, Riya and you are also there. You are included in that group. You are also a part of that group. So, Priya, Riya and I are going for a picnic. So, you guys, you girls are going for a picnic. Now, what I have used? We. We are going by bus. So, who are going by bus? We. And who are we? It is Priya, Riya and I. Okay. So, here we I have used for these 3 girls. Who are Priya, Riya and I. I means you are also included in that group if you are a girl. Okay. So, you are also included in that group. I can be a boy also and I can be a girl also. Now next, Ritvik, Sohan and I are playing football. Now there are how many boys? 3 boys. Again there are 3 boys, and I means you are also included in that group. You are also a part of that group. You are also playing with Ritvik and Sohan. Now what have you used in the next sentence? We are practicing for the match. So there is a match and you are practicing for it. Who are practicing for it? We. Who all are included in this we? It is Ritvik, Sohan and I. So please pay attention. We use we, W-E-V, when you are also included in that group. When you are also a part of that group. Okay, it can be boy also, it can be girl also. So now the next pronoun is you. You can be used for a boy or a girl. Okay, so here you also, we can use it for a boy also or for a girl. Okay, you is always used when we are talking about the other person. And the other person can be a boy and the other person can be a girl to whom we are talking. So, example, you are cooking. Now you are cooking. Cooking can be done by mother also and can be done by father also. So you are cooking. Okay. Next, you were sleeping. So you were sleeping means it can be a boy also who is sleeping and it can be a girl also who is sleeping. So you were sleeping. So you can be used for boy also and for a girl also. Next, they. T-H-E-Y, they. It is used for a group of person, but you are not a part of it. Now here in we, W-E-V, we use we when you are a part of that group, but the opposite of it is they. They is used when you are not a part of that group. You are not included in that group. You are talking about third person. Okay, like Tanya, Anouk and Daniel are in the class. Are you included in this group? Are you there? No, you are not there. You are not a part of this group. Why it is a group? Because there are 3 persons. And we are talking about third person like Tanya, Anouk and Daniel. You are not included in that group. Okay. So, Tanya, Anouk and Daniel are in the class. We are talking about these 3 students. Now what have you written over here? They. They are studying there. Okay. So they means who? It is Tanya, Anouk and Daniel. So you have seen here I have used they and you are nowhere in this group. You are not included in this group. So when you are not included in that group, what we will use? We will use they. They are studying there. You are talking about these 3 students. You are not talking about yourself. You are talking about these 3 other students. So at that time we will use they. So class, I hope you have understood this. These pronouns which you have done today. In case now, next question is, look at the pictures. Complete the sentences with the correct words from brackets. So here you have they have given you the pronouns and you have to look at the picture and you have to write the correct pronoun. Okay, so Dash plays the piano. Now here you can see who is playing the piano. It is a boy. And how many boys are there? Only one boy is there. So what we are going to use? We are going to use he, they or it. See, it we will not use because it is used for animal, place and thing. And they is used when there is more than one person. So what is left? It is he. So we will write he plays the piano. Okay. Class, I hope you have understood what I explained you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. And please do your work neatly and please submit your homework regularly. Okay. Thank you.